Today is National Relaxation Day, but I didn't know it was National Go to Sleep Day. That has a separate day, but they're about to, definitely meld right about now. And if I don't make any sense after a while, just forgive me. We have Pat McCurren. He is CEO of Mattress Direct. This mattress is getting rave reviews from everybody who passes through this lobby.
Yeah, it's pretty all right, isn't it?
It's pretty all right.
You want to get really good and relaxed, you definitely need to get a great night's sleep. And so in order to get a great night's sleep, what we need to do is put your body in a state of relaxation. And this is actually the Relax-O-Pedic mattress, which is like the relaxation station for National Relaxation.
Relax-O-Pedic. What's the remote for?
Oh my gosh, it's got lumbar support. We can elevate your feet. So imagine you're going to sleep tonight, just elevate your feet just a little bit, take the pressure off the small of your back. You've been running around in them shoes all day. Put your feet up, put a little gentle massage on your lower extremities, let that circulation flow through. Put your body in a state of relaxation. You get a better night's sleep. You end up waking up feeling better, and it's easier to relax on National Relaxation Day.
Okay, I'm gonna try to scoot back without messing up my mic and IFB. And can you show me how it works?
Yeah.
Just lay back
so
and
the first thing you need.
Is somebody else gonna finish the show for me? Because I'm not gonna make it.
So there's 3 things you need to get a great night's sleep and get relaxed. The first is to keep your body from getting too warm. These are individual cooling comfort cushions that pull excess heat away from your body.
Are they really?
Okay. Around there.
Mm-hmm.
Then under that, we've got a cool memory foam that relieves pressure, but it's actually got built-in lumbar support.
That's great.
Put your body in a natural state of balance. And now as I raise your feet on your zero gravity base, take a little bit of that pressure off the small of your back. I'm gonna elevate your head and your pillow tilt just a little bit. So your body's more of a relaxed position because you got that more natural ergonomic position.
I do have to say, I feel that ridiculous, pressure on my lower back just go away.
And if it hadn't gone away yet, we can actually reinforce the lumbar support with the gravity base, so it actually just tilts your body into a position where you get good and relaxed.
Okay.
Are you ready for the massage yet?
Yes, I am.
That's too much, right? So we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of foot massage first. You feel that gentle vibration increases the circulation below the knees. So this is my routine every night. I go home, go to bed, tilt my feet up, let that relaxation massage go for 20, 30 minutes. I go to sleep deeper and sleep longer and feel better when I get up in the next morning.
Okay, now some people are concerned about the cost of something this is awesome.
So not only
but
is
it's worth it. Yeah. but tell us seriously about some options.
Yeah, Kim, that's the best part. Mattress Direct's a factory direct showroom for all the mattresses. The Relax-O-Pedic's actually built here in Missouri at the Campbell Sleep Factory. So you get this mattress for half the price of the nationally advertised brands. You can get it at any Mattress Direct location, or you can order it online at stlmattressdirect.com.
Where's the Campbell Sleep Factory?
It's Cape Girardeau, Missouri, which is all part of the Mattress Direct family. When people think about getting a mattress, you don't want one that's been shipped from across the country or across the world. You don't want one that they had to drive 10 hours or over a boat. If we build them right down the road, they get up here an hour and a half. We got them out to you cheaper.
Okay, guys. If you're ready to celebrate National Relaxation Day, let me read this. It's at Mattress Direct, call 314-4DIRECT, or you can visit stlmattressdirect.com. This is how you is today Wednesday?
Today's Wednesday
This is how you celebrate Wednesday on an
Best Wednesday ever.